As bioinformatics is evolving, it holds an immense potential in drug discovery, in personalized medicine, and as well as in diagnostics.
Bioinformatics is a versatile field and definitely is one of maybe of most exciting scientific careers today and in the following future. Why? First of all, because it's addressing the real-life challenges. When we are discussing about the bioinformatics, definitely it could be applied, for example, in medicine, especially in pharmacy. In that direction, it could be used during genetic testings. It could be used in pharmacogenomics, meaning evaluation of the treatment effectiveness, having in mind the genetic profile of the patient. Could be used in more in-depth knowledge about the mechanisms involved in different diseases, for example, in cancer genomics. Also in R&D sector, especially in evaluation and development of new drug targets and of course new drug substances, and normally in pharmacy or pharmaceutical industry, and especially in biotechnological industries, in design and development of new drug products, and of course personalized medicinal products, which are very important today for individual treatment opportunities. In that context, my colleague and former student, Assistant Professor Ljubica Mihailova, I think that she may share her gathered knowledge and practical experience in bioinformatics, having in mind that she was a part of University of California, Los Angeles, United States, through postdoc Fulbright Scholar program.
During my own Fulbright journey at the UCLA, I had a remarkable opportunity to gain insights and knowledge in the field of bioinformatics. Working together with Dr. Slavica Tudjarova's research group, I focused on mastering the nanostring technology, which enhanced my ability to interpret the results in bioinformatics analysis and interpretation of the results. But what excites me most about bioinformatics is its ability to decode complex biological systems. For instance, precision medicine, which tailors treatments based on genetic sequencing, which maximizes the treatment efficiency and minimizes the side effects. However, to successfully develop predictive methods and algorithms, a strong team is essential. I guess an informatician plays a critical role in firstly understanding the scientific questions and then developing the algorithms to ensure that the computer will process data efficiently. On the other hand, bioinformatics is also revolutionizing in the field of drug discovery and pharmaceutical technology by enabling the design and optimization of formulations with high precision. Nowadays, the computational models can predict drug interactions, can optimize drug formulations, can improve targeted therapies and in this way by accelerating the drug discovery and improvement of treatment efficiency, thus reducing the trial and error approaches in pharmaceutical research. As bioinformatics is evolving, it holds an immense potential, as I said, in drug discovery, in personalized medicine, and as well as in diagnostics. My own journey in the field has also sparked an entrepreneurial mindset. It's fascinating how the ability to extract actionable insights from complex data sets opens up new avenues for innovation, new perspectives, especially in the field of healthcare. So thanks to the Fulbright program and to the opportunity to collaborate with Dr. Tudjarova, we now hope to introduce spatial transcriptomics on cancer biopsies in North Macedonia in order to improve the treatment of the patients and to refine the therapeutic strategies by targeting cancer metabolism with standard treatments and also evaluating the suitability of immunotherapy. I think bioinformatics nowadays is a crucial segment in every field, especially in medicine, which will revolutionize the way how we treat patients, to monitor the treatment, especially in the aspect of efficiency and safety for patients.
When we are discussing about the startups, I think that it is essential to bring the gap between what is research and, in the other direction, what is practical application. So therefore, definitely it is important the collaboration with the universities in different EU projects, and also that connection between academia and industry in the direction of development, some innovation. Maybe our story is a good example of all of this. Namely, before 7 years, my colleagues from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, coordinated by Professor Radmil Polenakovic, and in that time assistants Bojan Jovanovski and Trajče Velkovski, now professors. And of course, from my faculty, Faculty of Pharmacy, my colleague Professor Maja Simonovska-Cicalska and I joined together to help and establish some kind of project based from the idea that we can support the snail producers, namely in adding additional value as a product which could be applied in medicinal or cosmetic field. In this direction, at the beginning of 2018, we applied for a project at National Fund of Innovation and Technology Development for protection of snail mucus as extracted material from the snails. At the end of 2022, we received the national patent for technology development of this production. Between 2021 and 2022, we were granted by 2 EU programs. One was EU4Tech Proof of Concept of the innovation, and the second one was EU Startup. Not just that we were financialized by those projects, but also we get in-deep knowledge about how to develop our innovation. That's why at the end of 2022, again, we applied in National Fund for Innovation and Technology Development for a startup. And I think in July 2023, we established our company, Microhelix. During that time, we continually developed some kind of formulation. It is for wound healing, for treatment of chronic wounds. And that's why we needed some kind of formulation which will be specific and effective in treatment of wounds. For that formulation, before part of months, in November 2024, we get the patent from European Patent Organization. This achievement is definitely very significant for us, having in mind that in North Macedonia, in the past decade, only 5 patents were approved by European Patent Organization. So we are continuing with our work. Now we are planning another EU project, but our startup company with startups from Serbia, also from Slovenia, and also in cooperation of universities, University of Graz and University of Novi Sad, exactly in the field of applying bioinformatics in our product. How? In a direction that we are planning some sensor to be put as a smart device in this therapeutical system, mainly in the direction that we can get real data during the healing process, so we can testing the effectiveness and of course the safety of our product. When we are discussing about the possibilities of an application of bioinformatics into medicine and into pharmacy as a medical treatment, definitely we have some new ideas of incorporation of some sensors in our dressing in a direction to follow and collect real data about the effectiveness of our product, and also, what is more important for the patients, the safety of it.
My advice will be, so when you have some strong results and see a potential in the product that you are developing, then it is crucial to gather the right team, to have the right people around you in order to develop further your product and bring it to the market.